Nikki, welcome back. Hello.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. It is summer, meaning that pretty much every single makeup brand out there is coming out with something waterproof. Waterproof foundation, waterproof eyeliner, waterproof mascara. I mean, at one point they're gonna come out with waterproof DNA. And every single brand, every one of them claims to have the most waterproof product on the market. And if you know me, you know that I really love to test some of these claims and see if they're actually any good, if there's actually any truth to it. So for today's video, I thought it was so much fun to sit down and do a full phase of waterproof / long-lasting makeup products. And then once I'm wearing it, really test it out. I'm not talking about my bathroom. I'm not talking about my mom's pool. I am talking about really testing this out. In 1, in 2, in 3. That's right, baby. For this video, I am traveling to Curacao to test this waterproof makeup. And at the end of this video, we will finally see which of these products are truly waterproof and which of them are not. All right, so before we get going, I do want to let you know that overall, my makeup tends to stay in place very well. I feel like I have mastered the techniques to really make things last, but never did I go fully underwater. So today is really gonna show me if I should keep my head up high or sink, baby, sink. I think one of the most vital things to do with this makeup look is prime, because priming is really gonna make things last, hopefully, and make things stay in place. And one hardcore butt-proof primer that I love, this is a combo, is the Milk Hydro Primer for stickiness and the Huda Nymph Body Illuminator in Luna. These two together are like cement. All right, next up is foundation. Now we can finally dive in towards the more waterproof claimed products. This is by Tom Ford. This is the waterproof foundation / concealer. So this is a full coverage foundation that you can also double up as concealer. Not doing that today, but you know, it's a possibility. I've always really liked this. It's one of my top favorite foundations. So hopefully it's gonna last in that salty ocean. And I'm just gonna start patting that onto the skin using my sponge, and my sponge has been drenched in setting spray instead of water, so that with every tap, you're setting your face as well. Now, this is one of the main reasons why I love that Tom Ford foundation so much. Do you see that coverage? Like, I love this. Now, this is what always happens for me when I go on a vacation. My hairline gets burnt. So you're gonna have to excuse this for me, because now it looks like I'm wearing a cheap wig, but it's actually burned flesh. For concealer, I am going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm taking the color Fair Neutral. Again, waterproof, full coverage is everything that we want for today's look. Now, I normally don't use this concealer too much because it is so waterproof that it's kind of a little bit too matte on me. Like, it emphasizes the fine lines a bit too much. So I love mixing this up with others, but since today I need all the longevity and all the mattness and all the power I can get, we're using it solo. Oh my God, it's so hot and steamy here. I feel like my makeup is like, did we start the test yet? Are we underwater yet? It's so hot in here. Okay, now we do want to set it and forget it. So right before you set your face, you want to make sure that all little creases are gone. So go back in with that sponge, pick up that powder, and set it. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Loose Powder because it is truly the best in the game. And also, of course, setting the rest of my face. All right, so off camera with the AC on, I quickly did my brows using the Brow Blade by Urban Decay, and this is a waterproof eyebrow pencil. So that is what is on my brows. I used a waterproof brow gel from Korea on the hairs, like I mentioned, and now it's time to dip into the eyes. So a super butt proof and waterproof base that I like working with is by Maybelline. This is the Color 24 Hour Tattoo Pot, and this is an in a very nice neutral matte color. And I really like using this to fully ensure that my eye makeup look is not going anywhere. Hopefully. So I'm just gonna start pouncing that onto my eyelid to create that base and to make sure that everything that we're putting on top is gonna stay there. Okay, now time for another product that is actually known for not coming off, and people actually like have a lot of questions on how to get this off. The Maybelline Superstay matte inks are, I believe, the most budge-proof, waterproof, life-proof liquid lipsticks on the market. They come in a bunch of shades, and we're saving this bright color for the lips for later on. But for the eyes, believe it or not, we're using two nude liquid lipsticks. And the first one that's going into the crease is this one right here, and this is in the color 60 Poet. Yes, people, we're using liquid lipstick as eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna open it up, and I'm just gonna pop a little bit onto my blending brush. And basically what I'm doing is just popping it into my crease using circular motions. As long as you sort of like keep circling out the edges, it's gonna blend itself. And you know, it's a NikkieTutorials look, so we're bringing it up towards this front of the brow. All right, so I feel like that definitely is enough structure and definition into the crease. Now it's time for the glitter. This is such a good moment right here. This is by Lime Creme. It is called the Diamond Dew, and this is the color Pixie. Oh, I hope the camera's gonna do it justice, because this in real life is fairies have taken a big dump on your eyelids. Oh, do you see that? It's like a wet diamond on the lid. And I definitely take it very far up to give myself that drama, because we've been needing that drama underwater. All right, now for the lower lashes, I'm going in with a slightly darker color. This is 65 Seductress, and we're applying this as a smoky lower lash line. I am gonna do the other eye off camera real fast, and then I will be back. All right, so both eyes have been shaded and contoured and glittered up. I also applied waterproof mascara to my top lashes only. This one, again, Urban Decay, Perversion waterproof. So if you see any mascara falling down, it's because of this one. And now it is time for false lashes. I want to be using Miami by Lily Lashes, and these are gonna die. I already know, since I'm gonna be jumping into salt ocean water, not a single lash hair is gonna survive that, but the real test is in the glue. I don't mind the hairs actually becoming like wet or like spiky. I just wanna see if my glue will keep them on. So my #1 eyelash glue for years upon years now is this one. This is Infinity Waterproof Lash Adhesive by Thrive Cosmetics, and this is my favorite eyelash glue for years. It always keeps my lashes on like a champ. So I'm just gonna pop these lashes on, and then I'm gonna have a cool little trick for the lower lashes. All right, so lashes are on, and I feel like the lashes really ground this look and make it work. But if there's one thing I truly despise when it comes to makeup, is that inner corner sort of naked gap. I'm going in with another liquid lipstick. This one is by Nabla. This is their black liquid lipstick called Black Champagne. And I'm gonna use this as eyeliner to fill up those bald inner corners. Okay, and then now for a trick that I've been loving, obsessing over, and every time I get to this step, I get like all excited and I'm like, oh, finally. Curling lower lashes. I know it sounds crazy, but it makes the biggest difference when it comes to the lower lashes game. So curling them and then going ham with your mascara, and your lower lashes are taking the spot. So you wanna hold your eyelash curler like this, so upside down, and then all aboard, and squeeze. Yep, I know it looks very scary, but trust me, oh, it's so good. I like to apply a primer to my lower lashes to make them even thicker and more voluminous and there. And for this, I like using the Milk Makeup Kush Lash Primer.
I am beautiful.
And then for lower lash mascara, I'm using another waterproof one. This one is by the drugstore. This is L'Oreal Miss Baby Roll Mega Volume Waterproof. As a last final step, I'm opening up my eyes using my favorite ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in white, and that's it for the eyes.
I just keep getting hotter, huh?
Now it is time for cheeks. I'm scared. Should I have contoured using a cream product? Absolutely. Did I forget about it? Absolutely. I do, however, really want to blush and glow. So first I'm going in with blush. So I have this colorful tattoo tint. This is a lip tint in the color Wild Rumor from Etude House. Now I definitely don't mind it being nice and blushy, because I'm loving the blush at the moment. For highlight, I want to use this by Tom Ford. These are the Glow Drops, and I am obsessed with these on no makeup days where I just want like that healthy glisten to the skin. Now, problem is I've never tried this on top of powdered skin, so I basically always use this on like my bare skin on top of like moisturizer to add in that glow. So I don't know what this is gonna do. Hopefully it's gonna react well. If not, I have a problem. Only gonna pick up the tiniest bit because I'm scared, and I'm gonna tap it onto where I would highlight to sort of make the base tacky. And then I'm gonna set it using a powder highlight over top to sort of like sandwich it onto the skin to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere, hopefully. So I'm hoping by using the liquid highlighter as a base and then setting it with a powder, that is really gonna ensure it of staying, but who knows? All right, here's me hoping that this is gonna stay on like that in the water. Now it's time to wrap up the look using our lip. This is Heroin Superstay Matte Ink by Maybelline, a must. And then the magic trick to not making these move on the lips is licking them. Licking this liquid lipstick is gonna set it. I know it sounds weird, but it definitely works. If you don't lick it, it's gonna stay tacky all throughout the day. Okay, and then finally, for the final step, to seal the frickin' deal, it is time for setting spray, and I'm gonna take the most hardcore one that I know of, Huda Beauty Boss Face. This better not let me down. This better seal my face like a damn suitcase at the airport. Welcome to Curacao. Welcome to today's home, the Pelican Express. So we're on the Pelican Express and we're right now going towards the spot where we're gonna swim. All right, I am about to go in. Assumptions, expectations, I think I'm gonna do pretty well. The lipstick is super hardcore, so oh my god, what if I fall in right now? I think the eyeshadow is super hardcore. I'm not too sure about the mascara. Okay, let's just do it. Hi, Dylan. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is it like deep? Yeah. Oh, it's deep. In one, in two, in three. Is it on? Is it on? I mean, my eyes are burning, but is it on? Oh my god, there's a shark. There's a shark. Kidding. Guys, so I'm literally in the water. My eyes are burning. Okay, what if I really squint my eyes? Oh. Okay. Hello. Okay, so this is what we're looking like, people. This is what my waterproof makeup looks like after diving into the water. It's a lot. The lipstick is on like a rock. The lashes, of course, are very wet. My eyes burn like crazy because of the salt water. Brows are popping. The only thing that's really coming off, weirdly enough, is my liquid highlighter. Look at that. Look at that, my liquid highlighter's coming off. Oh my God, why are you a liquid highlighter when you're not even gonna stay in the water? I mean, what do you think, babe?
Looking nice.
It's looking nice. Oh my God, I'm disgusted. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this very special video here in Curacao. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.